Hey lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to Motivation Monday. I hope you're all doing really well today. In today's video, I am making the most of having an empty house. It is currently the school holidays, so the kids are home all the time, but they are actually both out of the house today, and I am going to get so much done that I've not been able to do for the past couple of weeks. So as you saw, I've started by just tidying up the toys, but now I'm going to dust the sides and I'm going to use the Fabulosa polish to do this. It smells amazing, all the scents are brilliant in this polish. I'm just going to spray a little bit onto the side unit here and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, and then I will wipe down all of the bits that go on top of it as well. I'm going to repeat the process on the dining table. Honestly, there's no point tidying away that little making station over there because the boys are on school holidays. He's constantly colouring, making, cutting, gluing, sticking. So I just leave that mat down all the time. So I'm just going to clean around it. There's no point putting it away. Now I'm going to take my polish into the living room and just polish down the tray in here. And I'll also give our little side table a polish. It's looking a little bit dusty. Okay, I'm going to do a different type of dusting now. I'm going to do some damp dusting simply using just water. I'm going to get a little bowl of just water here, and then I'm going to get a damp dusting sponge. This is the Scrub Daddy damp duster. It's rock hard, but as soon as it gets wet, it goes really soft and it absorbs loads of water. All you need is just the wet sponge. You wipe it over a dusty surface and it picks up all of the dust. I love to use it to do my stairs. I haven't done the stairs in ages. Look at that. So I couldn't wait to do these as soon as the house was empty, and I know that I could really focus on doing it. Also, it's super satisfying. I'm really making the most of having the time to do it, so I'm getting into all the little nooks and crannies on the stairs and the banisters where dust just loves to live. And now my favourite bit, I'm going to empty the water into the toilet after I've put on a new toilet roll. This is the most satisfying part of the job. Look at that. Now I'm just going to give the stairs a quick vacuum and spray them with my Febreze fabric spray, and they are done. Next, I'm going to clean the kitchen, and today I'm going to use my Lysol wipes that I got for my American Clean With Me video. I love these wipes. I'm just going to pull one out, put the rest back in, and I'm going to use the wipe to wipe down the surfaces in the kitchen. These wipes have two sides. They have a rough side, which you can use to scrub, and they have a smooth side that you can use just to gently wipe. So I'm going to alternate whenever I need either side of the wipe. Now using a fresh wipe, I'm also just going to wipe down the hob. Onto the sink now, and my new favourite product to use for the sink is this Scrub Daddy paste. I can't remember the exact name for this, but I got it in B&M. It comes with a Scrub Daddy sponge, as you can see, and then you rub the sponge onto the hard paste that comes in the pot, and it goes all sudsy and soapy, and then you use it to wipe down, well, any surface you like, but it works really, really well in my sink. As you can see, when I wash it all away, it leaves a super clean, shiny surface, and I'll just make sure it's all gone by using the smooth side of the Scrub Daddy to just wipe it down. Then I clean the sponge, ready to use again next time. I'm also just going to rinse my drains. Instead of using soda crystals today, I'm going to use the Fabulosa Foamo. You just pop it on top of the plug like this. You fill your sink with just a little bit of boiling water, and once it's cooled down, you let it all run through your drains, and it gives your drains a nice little bit of TLC, a little bit of a cleanse, gets rid of any funny smells, and that's the drains and the sink both cleaned for today. Moving upstairs now, and I'm desperate to vacuum the boys' rooms while they're not here, and I can do it quickly and easily. So I'm just going to sort out their rooms. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of shake and vac so it smells lovely when they get home, and I'm going to vacuum all of the carpets in all of the bedrooms upstairs. Honestly, my washing in the school holidays is getting out of control. I know that any other mums watching this will understand. Look at the size of the pile in that basket, and it's just growing and growing because I need to put all this on the basket as well. And there you go. It is an extremely big basket that I need to put away today. I really don't know if I'm going to carry this upstairs, to be honest, but I'm going to take all of this washing upstairs and put it all away. Wish me luck. Well, I managed to get it upstairs without hurting myself, which is an achievement. Now I just need to put it in piles for everyone and then put it all into everyone's bedrooms, wardrobes, etc. Okay, it's time to go and collect the boys now, so I'm going to grab myself a cold drink before I go and get them, give myself a pat on the back, and guys, I will see you in my next video.